really just saw that like an opportunity not to miss, you know, like we get every day to meet presidents, we get to meet very important person in the business.
It's very rare that we get to interact with so many industry people.
Who are my electrode people?
Well, learning the whole business aspect of exploration is something that we have never been, I have never been introduced at school. So it's really nice just to see these professionals, some of which are geologists now working in the financial side of things, and really hearing their experiences is really telling.
It's really inspiring as well. You know, seeing these people that they started out just like we did. You know, they're going to university, they're in geology. Following their passion, and eventually, you know, they get to the point where they're managing projects and they're running companies.
What we normally do is a little bit in there. What we normally do is shove the bug in.
Industry professional personal experiences that have been really great to hear how even after years in the industry they've still got, you know, the passion that I'm feeling as someone just starting out on that path. So it's really good to see that.
It's very important to take an active interest in someone else's culture.
Well, it just gives you a broader range of what's in the industry and lets you know there's lots of avenues and further down, and the more you understand about the business and the industry, the more you can go further down those senior roles, I guess, in the industry.
Without the sponsorship, we don't have the professionals coming in, we don't have these demonstrations, and we certainly wouldn't have S-IMEW, which is a great opportunity for students across the country to come together, learn from it, and just really build relationships with everyone.
This definitely wouldn't be happening without the sponsors. We're so lucky to have them, and to have people from the companies come and talk to us. You know, we get to share their experience and ask them questions, and not only do we get that and get to learn from them, but we get to make friends with them and network with them after the talks. And you know, we're building these networks that we can just like talk to people throughout our career.
So, you know, it gives you a face to a name and possibly a business card for future reference.